Hey guys, welcome back to the Cooler Talk. This is episode 2 for building your own website. Let's dive in. First, I'd like to start off with showing you the 2 ways you can log back onto your WordPress. You can choose whichever one works for you. So with the first option, you want to type in your domain name /wp-admin, and it will take you to this page where you can put in your login details. But if you're just like me and you've already forgotten your login details, you can always just log back into your client zone and follow the prompts on the screen to get to your web manager. And through your web manager, you can access the back end of your website. Once you've reached your WordPress installation page, you can click the WordPress icon. That should take you to a page where you'll be given the option to log into your website. So the first thing we want to do is change our password, and we can do that by clicking on the top right, edit profile, and the option to change the password should be close to the bottom of the page. For this step, we want to delete all our existing plugins. And the reason why we're doing that is because we want to start our website on a completely clean slate. So you're going to select all the plugins and delete them. Next, we want to get rid of something that is called permalinks, and I will show you where to see this on your website. So if you click on Hello World, you will see that there's a date stamp in your URL. And we don't want to see that every time we click on a different page on our website. And to change that, we're going to click on our dashboard, go to settings, permalinks, and select post name. And once you've done that, you can save your changes. Now we want to check if this is fixed. So we're going to visit our website again, click on Hello World, and voila. It's gone, and this is what we want it to look like. We're gonna go back to the dashboard, and we want to check that we have the latest version of WordPress, and we also need to check that our WordPress can update automatically, because you always want the latest version of WordPress for your website. The final step before we actually start building our website, we need to delete the pages that exist on our website. And like I've mentioned before, the reason why we are doing this is because we are trying to start our website on a clean slate. So what you're going to do is you're going to select all the pages and delete them all at once. Do not forget to remove them from the trash. Now the fun part, selecting a theme. You'll find that under appearance, click on add new and search. I found that a lot of web developers that I've come across prefer Astra, so that's what I've been using. You can click details and preview just to see what the theme looks like. If we are happy with the theme, we can go ahead and click install. This shouldn't take too long, and once you've installed it, please make sure that you also activate the theme, because if you don't do that, it won't actually work. Now that we've selected the theme, we're going to check if any changes have been applied to our website, and as you can see, the website looks a little bit different. And now we're going to go back to our dashboard, and this step is optional. I want to add a plugin for my client's website to let any visitors know that the website is still under construction. Now I'm going to search for a plugin for website under construction, and usually when I search for plugins, a lot pop up, and I select the first one, which probably has the highest rating and as well as the most reviews. Once again, I want to remind you, after you're done with the installation of your plugin, remember to activate it. If you don't activate, it won't actually work. So for this plugin, I want to change a few settings. So first, I want to switch on the plugin so that it's active on my website. And then second, which is also optional, I want to choose a design. Once again, don't forget to save your changes. I'm clicking the preview screen so that I can see what my website would look like. I don't really like this design, so I'm gonna go back and choose a different one that works for me and hopefully my client. And after a few minutes of searching, this is what I settled on. There aren't a lot of good free ones, but if you're willing to pay for it, then I'd suggest that you go for that. I think we're out of the woods with all that boring stuff, so now finally we can start selecting a template for our website. Once again, we are gonna add a new plugin, and for this template I'm gonna stick with Astra starter templates as recommended. And once the installation is done and I've activated this plugin, I want to make changes to it. So we're gonna make changes to this template. So you click C library, and for your page builder, I usually go with Elementor because I've used it before and it's amazing. At this stage, you're probably super overwhelmed because there are a lot of templates to choose from and they're all useful for different things. And because today I'm building a website for an interior design business, I'm gonna use those keywords to try and find a relevant template for a website. So under the search tab, I'm gonna type in interior designs, and there's only one template, thank God, making my life easy. And yeah, let's check it out and see if we like it. So when we click the preview page, we can see what the website would potentially look like, and I like it. So I am gonna go back and import the entire template onto my website. This step didn't take too long, but that depends on the strength of your Wi-Fi. And when you're done, you can view the site. If the import of the template was successful, your website should look like this on the back end. And what this means is that when people visit your website, this is not what they'll be seeing. They'll actually just be viewing the under construction page. You will be the only one who can see this end of your website. So that brings us to the end of this video. In the next video, we will actually be editing the different pages to suit the client's needs. So stay tuned for that, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers.